So let me set the frame. How are you guys doing? Hopefully मेरी आवाज़ clear आएगी यार. I should probably get mics, पता है. Just want to give a quick life update. Life has been not the best the past few weeks. मैं ये वीडियो 3 बार बनाने की कोशिश कर चुका हूँ and every time midway या तो like मुझसे बात नहीं की जाती या it gets too overwhelming for me and I stop the video. But I'll give you guys a little recap what's been happening for the past few weeks. सबसे पहले तो I think the biggest one is that a very close friend of mine passed away, and this was someone who I have been playing video games for the past 5 years. Made so many memories, whether it was GTA, Fortnite, Destiny, Overwatch, swimming कर रहे हैं, paddle खेल रहे हैं, like there were so many things, like you know, I can't even start. मैं literally the more I think about it, like it just hurts. खैर तो I'm gonna try not to get into too many details, but it's been hard. So you're losing a friend is something that I wouldn't wish on my worst enemy. I feel like this is probably the hardest death that I've seen up tak in my life. Obviously I know that ये ज़िंदगी का एक part है, you know, कि मौत is guaranteed. Death is something that you cannot run from death. Like it is eventually gonna catch up to all of us. And इसीलिए it's also just been, ever since this happened, I've had a lot of realizations about life and how small, like how like हमारे जो मसले हैं, how insignificant they are, because it's all temporary, right? Like none of this is permanent. And जब आप उस point of view से देखते हैं ना, तो काफ़ी like चीज़ें फिर clear, then you stop also stressing about things. So that has been the positive side of this whole situation, but it's been hard, man. Just you know, getting into the flow, trying to make videos. मेरा gym करने का दिल ही नहीं कर रहा. Like not only just like, obviously he's in a better place now, but in general like life feels so, I don't know if it's just me, but in general like आजकल, like I don't know, man, there's something in the air that's just been like bringing me down, I guess. And जब मैंने कुछ भी करने की मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, like दिल ही नहीं लग रहा है, especially with मैं, मगर फिर भी you know what the crazy thing is though, guys, I'm still hitting the gym. मैं ढीठ का बच्चा हूँ, मैं फिर भी हर रोज जा रहा हूँ. आज भी मैं गया हूँ, I got a crazy push workout in. I'm a बेगैरत, सही है. Even though अंदर से I'm feeling like shit, I'm still hitting the gym. So ये चीज़ जो है ना, ये चीज़ सीखनी है मुझसे. But again, I guess this has been one of the hardest. I feel like this is one of the hardest phases of my life, where ये इतनी सारी एक दो और चीज़ें back to back हुई हैं. Obviously अब मैं हर चीज़ तो आप लोगों को नहीं बता सकता. But it's just that when life throws back to back Yorker, जैसे क्रिकेट में नहीं होते, like मैं बैट्समैन खड़ा हूँ and मुझे एक Yorker आया, then एक और आया, then bouncer आया, then मुंह पे भी मेरे बॉल लगी है, मेरा हेलमेट टेढ़ा हो गया है. Like that is literally what life has been for me for the past few weeks, but I'm still fighting through. And it's very important कि ऐसे phases में जो है ना, you just need to constantly try to look at the good. सही है. And that is what I've been trying to do. बहुत मैंने कोशिश किया है कि मैं अपने माइंडसेट को जो है ना बिल्कुल मैं आयरन रखूँ एंड कॉन्स्टेंटली चीज़ों में अच्छी चीज़ें देखने की कोशिश करूँ. बिकॉज अगर आप लाइक इफ़ यू आर गोइंग थ्रू समथिंग ट्रैजिक एंड यू ऑल्सो स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट ऑल ऑफ द बैड थिंग्स, लाइक यू नो ऑब्वियसली देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ बैड हैपनिंग इन योर लाइफ एंड आप उसी में अगर ड्वेल करते रहें, इट्स जस्ट गोना मेक थिंग्स वर्स, राइट? तो ये कभी नहीं करना चाहिए. आई हैव बीन ट्राइंग टू अवॉइड डूइंग दैट. बिसाइड्स दैट, आई ऑल्सो फील लाइक दिस डेथ hit like really hard because I'm not a very emotional person. Like I am very emotional, but in the sense that it's hard to make me cry. Like the only times I cry is when या तो मैं बहुत mental exhaustion पे आ जाता हूँ, या if I miss my family, like बहुत ज़्यादा जो है ना, if I miss my sisters, so then I might start, you know, I might get emotional. But point being, it's hard for me to cry. But this death has been so, because I've been someone who struggled with having a decent friend group all my life. I changed schools 3 times. जो बहुत बार जिन्होंने स्कूल बदले होंगे उन्हें पता होगा the feeling. Constantly, you know, different schools का different माहौल होता है, different लोग होते हैं, and then बार when that keeps on changing, you know, it sort of messes with your brain as well, because so many people are coming and going. तो and I always wanted to have a friend group, सही है. मगर मेरी बदकिस्मती थी कि मुझे कभी स्कूल में कोई अच्छा फ्रेंड ग्रुप नहीं मिला. और people I could say, you know, these are my boys. You know how like people have those groups and like उनका एक friend proper, like you know, everyone's meeting all the time. You know, like सब एक पूरा group situation. You get what I'm trying to say? I always wanted that. I never got that. But eventually I did then. सही है, बड़ी मुश्किल से मुझे मेरे आई फाउंड माई पीपल, आई फाउंड माई ट्राइब, माई होमीज, एंड देन उसके बाद वन ऑफ देम पास्ड अवे. तो आई गेस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ लाइफ कि नथिंग इज कॉन्स्टेंट forever. इसीलिए मैं तो मुझे अक्सर अगर मुझसे फ्यूचर का भी बोलता है ना कि वो like what are you gonna do in 10 years, dog, I don't know if I'm gonna be alive in 10 years, I don't know where the hell I'm gonna be at, I don't know अगर मैं इधर हूँगा मैं कहाँ हूँगा, maybe I'll have an AI girlfriend, I don't know, like there's so much that can happen, you know. तो उस point of view से भी like बड़ा मैंने लाइफ को day to day basis पे लेना शुरू कर दिया है. But again यार this is just बड़ा मुश्किल है guys. Just dealing with something like this is just a lot. But you know what, that was the little update मैंने कहा आप लोगों को दे दूँ. But I'm doing good now, I'm doing better. I feel like time always heals. सही है, मुझे पता है with वक्त things are gonna get easier. They might not be the best right now, but you know eventually चीज़ें अच्छी होंगी. You need to have a positive outlook on life. मैं इस तरह भी सोच रहा हूँ, आपको पता है every day 150,000 people die. And the fact that I'm right now here in this moment living and breathing says ki, you know, there's a purpose that I have to pursue, there's things I have to do, and you know, but that is something that has kept me going. I guess that's the little arc that's been inside of me ki, you know, nahi abhi bahut kuch karna hai and bahut cheezein karni hai, and you know, like it can get better. Like life might throw punches at you, because मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है. Like I've constantly been trying to remind myself that there was a point in my life where I really did not want to live in this world, but I fought through it and I came out like this. So even like the way I'm feeling right now, I know that it's gonna get better. So yeah, it can never stay like this. Bhale achhi cheez hai, buri cheez hai, things always do get better, and I'm just praying that they will get better eventually, and then they're gonna get bad again. But that's freaking life. It's like a constant up and down type of graphs. तो ये था थोड़ा काफ़ी लंबा ये एपिसोड हो गया, bro, freaking hell, 7 minutes. But थोड़े comments भी आते हैं, I'm gonna read through them. Give me a second. So I have a question right now from Umema Kamran. Make a video on losing friends. I think कि people come and go in your life, and that's very normal. So yeah, I know it is hard because obviously we're all emotional creatures. Say humans, we feel emotions. So if you feel a certain way when someone exits your life, that's completely fine. इसमें कोई बुरी बात नहीं है. But again, is always for the better, man. You can't hold on to someone. अगर किसी ने अंदर से अपना like दिल बना लिया ना कि they do not want to be friends with you, so you need to like take your self respect, take a step back. Because आप जितना भी उस बंदे को पकड़ लें, pursue कर लें, they are not gonna want to be friends with you. So you know what's the point? And sometimes it's fine, bro. With time, you need to realize ये एक emotional level of maturity है कि people change. वक्त के साथ साथ लोग बदलते रहते हैं. जो मैं इंसान आज था वो मैं इंसान कल नहीं हूँगा. So, you know, I'm not even saying that maybe the people who are not friends with you now, like they're bad people. Maybe they're just different people now. And you know, maybe the old version of them was someone who was, you know, who would want to be friends with you. And maybe the new version doesn't like see you as a friend. And unke side se that's fine. But aapke liye, like, you know, you know what you're worth. So you don't have to take that shit either, you know. And apni bas self-respect wo rakhe, you can always find better people, man. You can, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. There's so many fish in the sea. Like there's so many wonderful people out there. मुझे लगता था at one point, you know, shit, like I've lost a lot of friends. Like इसमें तो मेरी PhD है इस topic में. तो मुझे भी अक्सर लगता था कि shit, man, how am I gonna, you know, find cool people? You trust me. The world is huge. दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है, and there's plenty of people that you can find. Just if they don't want to be friends with you, they don't want to be friends with you. You know, respect that decision of theirs. Take a step back. You're gonna find your people. Never chase face करने में कोई फायदा नहीं है. So that's the advice I'd like to give you on that. Since you said you're open to topic suggestions, could you make a video on how to stop caring about what people think and say about you? I've really struggled with this. यार ये तो जो है ना, this is something that I also still struggle with. But with time, like you do get used to it. Because I think of it like this. Yeah, it's so easy for someone who's doing nothing in their lives to pass an opinion on me. You know, and that's also completely fine. Because I'm putting myself on social media, so obviously I'm putting myself out there for people to give their opinions. एक बार मैं private से public पे transition कर चुका हूँ, तो मतलब I'm asking for it. You know, like that meme, you're begging for it, you're asking for it. वही वाला scene है. So people will have something to say. Listen, the only way I can make you feel better is कि मैं अक्सर ये सोचता था कि you know, maybe I had this question with me, is there someone in this world who cannot be hated? Like कोई ऐसा इंसान है जो ऐसी वीडियोस बनाता हो कि उससे कोई हेट कर ही नहीं पाया, zero haters. That is literally impossible. You know, people will hate on you if you don't have haters. People will hate on you for the sake of hating. People will hate on you maybe because they're seeing you too much. Maybe you're doing too well, people will start hating on you. Not even, they'll agree with your opinions. They'll like your videos. Maybe they just don't like seeing you too much. So they'll start hating on you. But there is no reason for hate, is what I'm trying to say. So since there is no reason for it and people can't do it, so you just need to ignore it. Like that's the best way to put it, कि आप एक कान से सुने और दूसरे से निकालें. Like कोशिश करें कि you know you're just focused on your own lane, on your own path, and you're completely ignoring that noise, and that's tough. सही है, मैं कोई 2 साल से कर रहा हूँ, मेरे अक्सर दिल पे लग जाती हैं चीज़ें, तो ये मुश्किल है. इसीलिए मैं कहता हूँ सोशल मीडिया isn't for everyone. A lot of people who take things to heart, उनके लिए शायद सोशल मीडिया नहीं है. Because people are harsh, man. People are, especially पाकिस्तान में तो ये बहुत है कि इतनी अफसोस की बात है, बट पाकिस्तानीज दे लाइक ब्रिंगिंग अदर पाकिस्तानीज डाउन. पाकिस्तान में पाकिस्तानी क्रिएटर्स के अगेंस्ट ही पाकिस्तानी बोलेंगे, यू नो, वो खुद ही घसीटेंगे. दे डोंट वांट पीपल टू ग्रो. एंड मे बी यही ऐसी शायद सोच है हमारे लोगों की, हम कभी जो है ना एज अ कंट्री भी इतना आगे नहीं जा पाए. अभी आज ही मैंने एक वीडियो देखी जिसमें दिस गाय वाज सेइंग कि वो आउटफिटर्स इज सो लाइक मिड, लाइक इस तरह करके उसने कुछ कहा था. लाइक ही यूज्ड इवन, आई डोंट नो इफ आई कैन से दैट वर्ड ऑन यूट्यूब, बट you know what actually I'll say it. He said outfitters is gay, and he said anyone who wears outfitters or breakdown like there's पता नहीं क्या क्या कह रहा था. तो जब खुद हम as Pakistanis if we're gonna trash on our brands, तो कोई बाहर का क्यों लेगा, कोई और क्यों support करेगा यार. You're supposed to support your own industries, you know, you should take pride in it. But unfortunately हमारे लोग ऐसे हैं, and ये एक चीज़ है. तो इसको तो बस again, I know you maybe this is something you've already heard, but this is the only answer. You need to focus on yourself. You need to ignore it. And एक time आएगा when यही लोग that are hating on you are gonna ask you, तुमने कैसे किया? Literally this happened with me. कि the same people who would clown me and say कि this is so stupid, there's no point, what are you doing with your life, are the same people who say कि oh you know how do you even do this? Like oh maybe they say you just got lucky. Like oh नहीं तुम्हें तो luck है. No, it's not luck. It's मेहनत and it's the grind and it's just that mindset कि I need to do something and I should not care what the world thinks. Like you need to be cringe, you need to be corny, you need to be in that position where you'll have a feeling of shit, people will make fun of me, but you still need to post those things. You get what I'm trying to say? So that is what I would like to say for that. Baki I think that's that for the video. मैंने 2 सिर्फ सॉरी क्वेश्चंस का जवाब दिया है, बट मेनली मैं थोड़ी अपडेट देना चाह रहा था. 3 हफ्ते से मैंने वीडियो पोस्ट नहीं की, एंड और भी टॉपिक्स हैं जिनके बारे में आई बी मेकिंग वीडियोस होपफुली अगेन. अभी तो मैं थोड़ा वापस, अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि आई डिडंट स्टॉप दिस वीडियो मिड वे, लाइक आई हैव डन लाइक 3 times ट्राइंग टू फिल्म अ यूट्यूब वीडियो. बट बाकी मैं बस यही कहूँगा कि फिर भी अल्लाह का बहुत शुक्र है. शुक्र, सब्र, मेहनत, बस ये 3 चीज़ें. जितना भी मैं डाउन फील करता हूँ आई स्टिल ट्राई टू बी थैंकफुल कि आई एम इन दिस पोजिशन. आई हैव सो मेनी ब्यूटीफुल पीपल लाइक यू गाइज हु वॉच मी, हु रिस्पेक्ट मी. तो यू नो फिर भी शुक्र करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड सब्र ये है कि यू नो होपफुली अभी थिंग्स माइट नॉट बी वर्किंग इन माई वे, बट जो मुझे लग रहा है आई नो इसमें मेरी बेहतरी है. इवन तो मुझे लग रहा है देयर नॉट गोइंग इन माई वे, आई नो ऊपर अल्लाह मियाँ का जो प्लान है दैट इज गना मेक थिंग्स कम इन माई वे. बट जो मेरी भी सोच से चीज़ें होपफुली दे विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग आउट एज वेल. एंड मेहनत अगेन जारी है. तो यही 3 चीज़ें हैं. एंड ऑल्सो आई टर्न 22 ऑफिशियली. आई एम अंक. तो इसके ऊपर जो है ना लेट्स एंड द वीडियो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द बर्थडे विशेस एंड दिस हैज बीन द लाइफ अपडेट. आई विल सी यू गाइस नेक्स्ट टाइम.